It's not tick tick, it's gong,
Dung,
gung,
yeah,
dung, dung.
yeah,
It's
tick, tick, or
hammering.
dung. I know the noise. I
At least
called them.
I appreciate
I told you,
you,
sir.
you.
You are filming.
No,
again.
no, but I have,
told
I
you,
have
you
to,
know.
I have to have some comfort. You know,
Yeah, but
I've lost the deadline. I broke the deadline, and they don't take my job.
yeah, but I told you before they will come 7 o'clock. So what can I do?
Today,
Yeah, today 7 o'clock.
but
I told you
he was.
Saturday.
Yes, but he was here yesterday.
No, that was Abdullah. That is not the. That is not the.
Ah,
I told you, but you
I'm
are not
glad-
listening to me.
I'm glad that I didn't knock. I just.
Yeah, you had
called.
put letters. I
That's
know.
all right.
I've seen it.
That's all right. Abdullah is welcome because she has sympathized with me, and that's why I asked you about his boss. His boss was even better. She said she's going to do the investigation.
Who?
His boss.
Laila.
No. Abdullah's boss.
Oh, I don't know.
They work
Abdullah's
together.
boss. Okay, I
They
don't
work
know.
together. She said to me from the stairs that she's going to do an investigation. The company is going to do.
I told you someone will come for the heating today.
Is
7 o'clock.
7 o'clock. Well, I'll have that in mind, and I'm not going
I
to
told
disturb
you
you.
Friday or Saturday. I told you, but you were not listening. You were angry.
I
was angry.
I wanted to work yesterday.
Oh, I got my phone.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
See you later.
See you later.
Oh.
Okay. After seeing Ryan, it's Monday, the 12th of February, 1:25. Stop.